I'm making this video to show people how to reset the heating element on their GE dishwashers. Now, I know there's a lot of people that are telling you to remove the heating element, do this, that, and the other. And really, the first thing that you need to do is pull out your dishwasher and then turn it upside down so you can get to the parts. Now, these are the connections for the heating element. And if you just basically follow where those connections are going, so here's where they're going, and it takes you to this little area, right here where they connect. See that? And right in between there is I had to try to get some light, but right in between these two, there's a little button in there. So just press that button and then put everything back and run your dishwasher, and that heating element will come right on. And sometimes it trips, so just remember you got to go there and follow that purple cord or whatever the cords are. I've got a purple one on this side, a red and white. I just follow all of those down to where they connect. And they connect right here, and in between there is a little button that you push. Thank you.